Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantel. Today I will be showing you how to make shrimp teriyaki tacos. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. Okay, so that was a half a cup of teriyaki sauce. I have some onion, that's green onion and bell pepper. Parsley flakes and Italian seasoning, and also some garlic powder. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell to receive notifications on all videos. Ooh, look how delicious this looks. So that was 7 minutes that passed. You just want to cook this until your shrimp turns pink and your vegetables will be semi-tender. So allow that to cook for about 3 more minutes, so that's a total of 10 minutes. Let's get ready to prepare our tacos. So I placed my tacos on a rack. You want to put this in the oven at 300 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. Shredded lettuce, Okay, our tacos are complete. Also guys, I wanted to add some chopped avocados. However, the avocados that were in the grocery store did not look appealing to me, so I did not get it. If you would like to add the chopped avocados to yours, you can. And you can also put some light sour cream on this. Also, this will be added to the 30-day weight loss challenge playlist. Thank you guys for watching. The link to the recipe description will be located below. And as always, you all have a blessed day.